Welcome to the Daily Globe. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. In the world of military aviation, few aircraft have a legacy as enduring as the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. This iconic bomber has been a cornerstone of American air power, representing strength and resilience. For over 70 years, this bomber has symbolized American air power and strategic reach. Its presence has been felt in numerous conflicts and missions around the globe. Now, the B-52 is undergoing its most significant transformation yet, emerging as the B-52J. This new variant promises to bring the aircraft into the modern age. At the heart of this rebirth is the Commercial Engine Replacement Program, or CERP, which will replace the bomber's aging engines with state-of-the-art Rolls-Royce F-130S. These new engines are designed to enhance performance and reliability. This upgrade isn't just about new engines, it's about redefining the B-52's capabilities for the 21st century. Modern avionics and advanced flight controls will play a crucial role in this transformation. The new engines promise greater efficiency, range, and reliability, ensuring the B-52J remains a formidable deterrent for decades to come. This means longer missions with fewer refueling stops. This modernization will impact everything from mission planning to global power projection. The B-52J will be better equipped to handle the demands of modern warfare. As the B-52J moves from blueprint to reality, it stands ready to serve alongside next-generation bombers like the B-21 Raider. Together they will form a powerful duo in the skies. Today we'll explore the history, technology, and strategic vision behind this monumental upgrade. The journey of the B-52 is a testament to innovation and adaptation. Join us as we chart the B-52's journey into a new era of air power. Witness the dawn of a new chapter for this legendary sky giant. To truly appreciate the B-52J's significance, we must look back at the Stratofortress's remarkable and storied history, which spans generations and has shaped the very fabric of modern air power. First flown in 1952, the B-52 was originally designed for long-range nuclear deterrence during the tense years of the Cold War, when global stability often hung in the balance. Over the decades it adapted to new roles, serving not just as a nuclear deterrent, but also as a conventional bomber in Vietnam's intense bombing campaigns, and later, delivering precision strikes in Iraq and Afghanistan. Its massive payload, impressive range, and unmatched versatility have kept it relevant for over 60 years, allowing it to serve in conflicts and deterrence missions across the globe. The current B-52H fleet, last delivered in 1962, is now older than many of its crew members, making it a living link between past and present generations of airmen. This extraordinary longevity is a testament to Boeing's robust original design and the Air Force's unwavering commitment to continuous upgrades and modernization. However, maintaining such a vintage fleet is a monumental challenge, especially as original parts and specialized expertise become increasingly scarce with each passing year. The B-52 has seen numerous avionics and weapons upgrades, but its 8 Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines have remained largely unchanged since the 1960s, making them a critical focus for modernization. These engines, once considered reliable workhorses, are now the aircraft's Achilles heel, driving the urgent need for replacement to ensure the B-52's future viability. The B-52's story is one of constant adaptation and resilience, and the next chapter begins with new power at its core, ensuring its legacy endures for decades to come. The TF-33 engines powering the B-52H are relics of a different era, reliable, but now outdated and inefficient. Their high fuel consumption limits range and drives up operational costs, while maintenance grows ever more difficult as parts become scarce. The Air Force projects these engines will be unsupportable beyond 2030, making replacement a necessity, not a choice. The TF-33's thick black smoke and loud noise also make the B-52 easier to detect, and increasing liability in modern airspace. New engines will be cleaner, quieter, and more efficient, enhancing both survivability and mission effectiveness. Without this upgrade, the B-52 fleet would face forced retirement, leaving a critical gap in America's strategic bomber force. The Commercial Engine Replacement Program is the answer, ensuring the B-52's legacy continues. This is about more than maintenance. It's about keeping a vital deterrent in the sky. The time for change is now. The Rolls-Royce F-130 engine is the centerpiece of the B-52J's transformation. Adapted from the proven BR-725, The F-130 offers reliability and efficiency already familiar to the Air Force. Each F-130 matches the TF-33's thrust but delivers it with 30% greater fuel efficiency, dramatically extending the B-52J's range. This means fewer refueling missions and more operational flexibility. The F-130's modern design reduces maintenance needs and incorporates advanced health monitoring, keeping the B-52J mission-ready. Rolls-Royce will deliver over 600 engines assembled in Indianapolis, supporting American industry. The F-130 isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward, ensuring the B-52J is ready for the challenges of the future. With these engines, the B-52J becomes more capable, sustainable, and cost-effective than ever before. The future of strategic air power is taking shape. Integrating new engines into a legacy bomber is a complex journey marked by key milestones. In December 2024, Rolls-Royce and the Air Force completed the critical design review for the F-130's integration, a rigorous technical assessment. This milestone signaled the design was ready for production, moving from digital models to real hardware. Rolls-Royce's Indianapolis facility began manufacturing the first engines, a pivotal step for the B-52J program. The start of production is more than a procedural step, it's a tangible sign of progress. With production underway, attention turns to testing and certification, ensuring flawless performance. The first engines will be installed on a specially instrumented B-52 for ground and flight testing. This careful approach ensures a smooth transition for the entire fleet. Before the F-130 powers the B-52J in combat, it must prove itself through a series of rigorous and carefully designed tests. Each stage is essential to ensure the engine's reliability and performance under the most demanding conditions. Testing began in 2023 at NASA's Stennis Space Center, where engineers validated the engine's performance in twin-pod configurations. This facility provided the perfect environment to simulate real-world scenarios and gather critical data. These tests ensured the F-130S could operate reliably side by side just as they will on the B-52's wings. Engineers closely monitored how the engines interacted, looking for any signs of imbalance or unexpected behavior. In 2025, altitude testing at the Arnold Engineering Development Complex pushed the engines to their limits, simulating high-altitude, extreme cold conditions. These tests are vital for confirming the F-130's performance in the harshest environments the B-52 might encounter. This phase is critical for finalizing control software and ensuring stability across the B-52's entire flight envelope. Engineers analyze vast amounts of data to fine-tune engine responses and guarantee safe operation in every scenario. The data gathered paves the way for flight testing on the first re-engined B-52Js, expected between 2026 and 2027. These initial flights will be closely observed to validate all previous ground test results. Only after extensive flight trials and thorough analysis will the Air Force declare the B-52J ready for frontline service, likely around 2033. This careful approach ensures nothing is left to chance. This thorough process guarantees the B-52J will be safe, reliable, and more capable than ever, ready to serve for decades to come. The future of the bomber force is being built, one test at a time, with every detail scrutinized to ensure lasting excellence. The B-52J upgrade is more than just new engines, it's a full-spectrum modernization. New composite nacelles and struts designed by Spirit Aerosystems optimize aerodynamics for the F-130S. The electrical system is being overhauled to support advanced avionics and the demands of modern warfare. The cockpit is transformed with digital displays, improving situational awareness and reducing crew workload. A cutting-edge AESA radar will give the B-52J enhanced targeting and detection capabilities. These upgrades work together, making the B-52J a fully integrated modern weapon system. The B-52J will complement stealth bombers, serving as a long-range arsenal ship in the USAF's bomber triad. This holistic approach ensures the B-52 remains a vital force for decades to come. Not all innovations are high-tech. Sometimes simple solutions make a big difference. At Minot Air Force Base, harsh winters caused ice and debris to damage B-52 engines, costing millions and countless maintenance hours. The answer? Custom-fitted trans-heeled pod covers, sealing engine inlets and exhaust to prevent ice buildup. These covers have saved thousands of maintenance hours and improved readiness, especially in extreme cold. Master Sergeant Adam Vossas notes that maintainers now work more efficiently, even in North Dakota's harshest weather. While small in scale, this innovation shows the Air Force's commitment to practical problem-solving. As the B-52J's new nacelles arrive, redesigned covers will ensure this simple solution continues to protect America's bombers. Sometimes, keeping a legend flying starts on the ground. The B-52J modernization is a bold investment in America's long-range strike capability. With new engines, advanced avionics, and upgraded systems, the B-52J will remain a cornerstone of U.S. air power into the 2050s. The B-52J will operate alongside stealth bombers, serving as a standoff weapons platform and cruise missile carrier. Its increased range and efficiency give commanders more flexibility in vast theaters like the Indo-Pacific. Each milestone from design review to testing brings this vision closer to reality. The program's success relies on seamless collaboration between the Air Force, Boeing, Rolls-Royce, and industry partners. The B-52J is not just a relic with new engines, it's a fully modernized weapons system. This is strategic evolution in action, proving that legacy platforms can meet new challenges. The B-52's story is one of innovation and resilience, soaring confidently into a new era. The legend continues, ready for another generation of service.